Hi, this is Christine with Special Crafts and More to give you an update on that plastic canvas house I was doing. Plus, I finished the bed, and here it is. And so far, I have these done. I have the little dresser. I have the picnic table. I have this one that goes in the restroom. I have the stove done. I have one of the sofas done. I have the dresser. The crib. The chair. And here's a little nightstand. One. Here's the table. Table. And the chairs. Trying to get them. Here's the chairs. Whoop. Okay, well, here's the chairs. And then I did the little baby right here. And that's what I have done so far. Thank you for watching. I'll give you more updates as I finish. Oh, I'm almost finished with this one. And one other thing, I'm almost done. And then here's another table. Just gotta do the legs. And I'm working on part of here. I'm working on this. That's the bedroom part. Well, thank you. God bless you. Bye-bye.